Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've been your own worst enemy all along. Welcome to this eye-opening tutorial on how to systematically dismantle your life's potential. While the title may seem provocative, our goal is to shine a light on common pitfalls that can lead to an unfulfilling existence. By understanding these destructive behaviors, we can learn to avoid them and pave the way for personal growth and success. The first step to ruin your life is to embrace closed body language. Start by shutting yourself off from the world. Slouch your shoulders, keep your head down, and avoid eye contact at all costs. This defensive posture sends a clear message. Stay away. By appearing socially unreceptive, you'll effectively minimize meaningful human interactions and potential friendships. The second step is to become a slave to your phone. When in doubt, retreat to the comforting glow of your smartphone. Make this your default response to any hint of social discomfort or uncertainty. By constantly burying yourself in your device, you'll gradually erode your social skills and ability to navigate real-world interactions. The third step is to master the art of tardiness. Never arrive early or on time. Consistently showing up late demonstrates a lack of respect for others and poor time management skills. This habit will slowly chip away at your professional and personal relationships. The fourth step is to excuse your way through life. When you inevitably make mistakes, never take responsibility. Instead, cultivate a garden of excuses to deflect blame. This approach ensures you'll never learn from your errors or grow as a person. The fifth step is to develop an external locus of control. Convince yourself that you're merely a leaf in the wind of life with no control over your destiny. By relinquishing personal responsibility, you'll effectively surrender any chance of shaping your own success. The sixth step is to become a conversational narcissist. In every interaction, make it your mission to steer the conversation back to yourself. Never show genuine interest in others' experiences or feelings. This self-centered approach will gradually alienate even your closest friends. The seventh step is to embrace negativity and criticism. When you're not talking about yourself, focus on tearing others down. Become an expert at identifying flaws in everyone around you. This toxic mindset will poison your relationships and your own self-image. The eighth step is to cultivate a chameleon personality. Live your life as a series of contradictions. Say one thing and do another. Present different versions of yourself to different people. This lack of authenticity will erode your sense of self and make it impossible for others to trust you. The ninth step is to replace action with wishful thinking. Instead of setting goals and working towards them, spend your time daydreaming about a perfect life. Reject your current reality and refuse to take an active role in shaping your future. This passive approach guarantees stagnation. The 10th step is to embrace self-destructive habits. Regularly engage in activities that diminish your physical and mental well-being. Avoid challenges that could make you stronger. Always choose the path of least resistance, even when you know it's harmful in the long run. Finally, the 11th step is to surrender to despair. Convince yourself that you're beyond redemption. Believe that your flaws are unforgivable and that positive change is impossible. This mindset becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, trapping you in a cycle of negative behavior. By understanding these self-sabotaging behaviors, we gain the power to recognize and avoid them in our own lives. Remember, the path to personal growth and fulfillment often begins with self-awareness and a willingness to challenge our destructive habits. Let this guide serve not as a roadmap to ruin, but as a warning sign pointing us towards a more positive and purposeful existence.